Hey everybody, welcome back to Yo Deer Hunters. Today I want to follow up on our last video. On our last video we went to Academy and we checked out some of the new ammunition that's available in 2025 for the 6.5 Creedmoor. I recently picked up a new Tikka. It's a CTR rifle, extremely accurate. I've been testing with another rifle with a 24-inch barrel. This one has a 20-inch barrel. When we were at Academy, we picked up 3 different kinds of ammo for the 6.5 Creedmoor. The first one is the Hornady 129 grain Interlock. Now, this is a really good hunting round. Those bullets are very good, and we'll check the velocity on these in just 1 minute. The second one we tried was the Remington Core-Lokt Tipped. Now, these are a little bit more expensive than the Hornady Interlock bullet because of this is more of a premium bullet. This is a tipped Core-Lokt, and you know, anybody that's shot a Core-Lokt bullet knows how well it holds together and punches through, you know, to get a good clean kill. The last one is a Winchester brand. It's a 125 grain bullet. It's a very nice polymer tip bullet. I think it's going to be really popular. But let's look at some of the velocities, because the velocities on these things are quite a bit different. And that's advertised velocity and actual velocity. We chronographed all of these, so we know exactly what they'll do from my rifle. Maybe a little bit different from your rifle, but you'll be pretty close. The Remington is a 129 grain bullet, and the advertised velocity is 2,945 feet per second. Now that's moving. That's going to get close to, you know, 270, 25-06 type velocities. This one is not advertised as fast. This is a 129 grain bullet. It's advertised at 2,850 feet per second. It's the Winchester XP. This is a Hornady Whitetail. It's a 129 grain bullet. It's advertised at 2,820 feet per second. So let's see what we actually got. The Hornady ammunition factory rated velocity is 2,820 feet per second. Even though this ammunition is rated at 2,820 feet per second, it missed the mark in my 20-inch rifle by 200 feet per second. In a 24-inch rifle, that would be about 100 feet per second. So you can expect, if you have a 24-inch rifle, to get about 2,700. A 20-inch rifle gets about 2,600 feet per second. So that's not quite up to speed. Additionally, was a little bit of high pressure. It left, extractor marks on the cases, and a little bit hard of a bolt lift. So, it's sort of a catch-22. You got a ammunition that has a fantastic bullet, but the velocity is not as high as the others, and also it's showing pressure signs at that low velocity. Go back to the Winchester. Now this is advertised at only 2,850 feet per second with a 125 grain bullet, but it does get right there on that velocity. If you're shooting a 24-inch barrel or a 22-inch barrel, it's real close. It was around 2670 in my 20-inch barrel. So, add 50 feet per second for a 22-inch barrel, 24-inch barrel, you're going to come up with another 100 feet per second. So this is right on the money, just like it's supposed to be. And it's got a good polymer tip bullet too. So this may be a good choice, and it's not terribly expensive. All 3 of these we tested. I think this is the favorite. It shows good accuracy. It's grouping around. They all grouped well. You can expect around an inch or so group in any of your good rifles. This is one that I think is, of the 3, is best. If I was going to hunt with factory ammunition, this is what I would choose. Now it costs more. It's up around, I think, $39 for a box of these, but you're getting a premium bullet, a tipped bullet. You're getting a bullet that produces right what it's supposed to be, up around 2,900 plus feet per second in a 24-inch barrel, and 2,800 feet per second in a 20-inch barrel. Now, if you get a 129 grain bullet like a Core-Lokt and getting 2,900 feet per second, I mean, that's a darn good load in a 6.5 Creedmoor. I just don't think you'll be able to beat this Remington Tipped Core-Lokt. And I'm not getting paid by anybody. We went up and bought these from Academy, and we're not getting any kickback. We're not getting any commissions for doing this. We're just, I'm just trying to, put you on the best ammunition you can get if you're hunting whitetail deer with a 6.5 Creedmoor. So, thanks for watching, and maybe we'll tag one with this ammo this week. Remember to subscribe and hit that little thumbs up button for us, and come back and see us.